guys, welcome back to my channel. So I thought today I would do kind of a different type of try-on haul. I ordered from the site ROMWE. This is going to be a vlog style type of video. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to try on all the clothes and wear them like throughout a day, and then I'll give my opinion and my review on it. And I hope that no one's offended by this video. I've seen it going around and I wanted to try on clothes from this website. It's called ROMWE, like I said, and the clothes are pretty cheap and I just want to give a review on it. Today it is Wednesday, the 24th of January. This shirt right here says "Plants are friends," and this is the first piece of clothing I'm trying out. It's really cute. And then the next are these pants right here. And I'm just going over to my aunt's house right now with my brother, and my mom's coming over and the kids are there. So we're just going to be hanging out and maybe taking a walk, and I will give my review later. Oh, and by the way, this video will be up after, but I'm painting my room, so that's why my room is a mess, and that's everywhere, so yeah. Alright guys, so it is day 2 of the ROMWE try-on haul, and today I decided to just have a black shirt and try on these pants that I'm about to show you. Alright guys, so it is actually later in the afternoon, but I still am going out to do a couple of errands, so I thought I would try these pants out. So these are the pants. They're just gray pinstripe. They have this cinched waist right here, and then it comes with this belt that you tie around it, and they have pockets. They're super cute. I'll see how they wear throughout the day. The bottoms are not all the way tight, just kind of fitted, and then I'm just wearing these cute little booties that I think are from Kato. They're pretty tight around here, but they are a little looser at the top, and then they're a little looser like as they go down the legs, but I think that should be okay. And yeah, pretty cute. I think they're really cute. I'll see how they work, if they're like stretchy enough, if they feel great. We'll see how it goes. So that is my outfit for today. Hey guys, so today is Saturday the 27th, and I am just going out to the thrift store to see if I can pick up a few things because there's a sale going on, and then I might go run a few other errands. So that's what I'm doing today. So today I'm just wearing the same pants I wore the other day, and then this is one of the sweatshirts that I got. It's just a crop top sweatshirt, just light gray. I'm wearing my sunglasses, got my little purse, and I'm ready to go. This is my outfit for today. Alright, so for today's ROMWE try-on haul, I'm wearing 3 different shirts. They're the last 3 shirts that I'm trying out. I'm just staying home and doing a few things. I'm going to film a video, so that's why my hair and makeup's done. But I'm going to try on one of the ones I have right now and 2 others, and then I have a swimsuit to try on, which I won't show you, but I will talk about later. I have this USA shirt on. It's super cute. I like it a lot. So it's pretty stretchy as well, like it's really stretchy. I'm going to be trying on this today, and then I also have the 2 other shirts that I'm going to be trying on that I'll show you in just a second. And also this shirt is just kind of a cropped top shirt. It's like not all the way down, but it's not like super high either, so it's kind of like a mid crop top, if that makes sense. Next I have this other crop top. It's just this really cute gray shirt. I like the sleeves with the little extra fabric right here, and then it says happy. It's super adorable. I really like it. And then I'm just, like I said, I'm staying home, so I'm just wearing these really comfy little pants here, slip pants. But this one, I really like it. It's a good fit, and I think it's really adorable, and it's super comfortable. Next is this cute top that I thought I was gonna like. Yeah, I like the fit of it on the top here. I like how these sleeves are a little bit wider, and I like that it does come with this little extra fabric to tie around your waist. But it was really hard to get on because it's not stretchy at all, so I'm not sure how I feel about it yet. And there's a lot of extra fabric here. You can kind of see like it's like kind of poofy out weird, and I'm not really sure if I like that. So we'll see how this goes. Alright, so for the final review of my thoughts, I think I'm going to go with the swimsuit first. It's actually really cute. It actually matches my outfit today. It has watermelons all over it. For the set, I got a size medium, and I wasn't sure if the size small would be too small, so I just wanted to see because I can always like take it in and stuff. but for the bottoms, they actually fit pretty well, so these were good. But the thing with the top is that it is so wide in the middle right here, the V neck right here, like it's so wide right here that there's too much extra fabric, so I'm gonna have to take that in, just like take it in like this and make it like a smaller V. And other than that, it was fine. It just has this little clasp that goes like this and then it locks in. So, I mean, that's okay. I would prefer like a tie or something a little more secure because I feel like this could come out easily. It does have adjustable straps, so that I do appreciate that. The actual fabric itself is okay. It's not like too cheaply made or anything. I think once I fix the top, then I'll be able to wear it, and it's pretty cute, so I would give this one a yes. Alright, next I'm going to go through all of these shirts that I got. The first one being this one. I don't know, I'm still like iffy about it. I think I will wear it because it is cute on after wearing it with the right outfit and wearing it for a while. The only problem that I really have is that there's no, you hear that? Is that there's no stretch to it. So it was really hard to get on, but once you have it on, it is pretty cute. I think that I'm going to give this one a no just because there's no stretch to it, so it's hard to get on. But I still will wear it because it is cute, so there you go. Next I have the Plants Are Friends shirt, t-shirt. I think this was really adorable. It's really soft, it's comfortable, it has some stretch to it, it's a good length on me, so I'll give this one a yes. And lastly for shirts, I have the USA shirt, the little flag on the sleeve here. I think this one is really cute. I will definitely probably wear this for like 4th of July or something. And it's just really comfortable. It's really comfortable, it's really stretchy, it's a good length, so I give this one a yes. Next I have the cropped hoodie here. This is probably my favorite piece that I bought. I love it. I love the length of the sleeves and just how it's shorter, and it's just roomy, it's comfortable, it's like gray so it goes with everything, so I give this one a definite yes. Lastly I have the pants, and I'm going to do the gray ones first. I thought these were super cute on. The only problem that I have with these pants is that they are not stretchy at all like the shirt was, so it was kind of annoying when I sat down and they didn't really stretch with my body. But other than that, they're super cute. So I would give this one a no just because of the stretchiness, but I probably will still wear them. Last, I have the black pinstripe pants. I love these. I love that they are high-waisted. I love that they are cinched at the waist, that they are like comfortable and still like fitted but not too tight. I love them. They're stretchy, so they like are great when you're sitting or moving around. You could have them as like cute like dress-up pants, or you could have them as PJ pants. I think these are adorable, and this is a definite yes for me. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little ROMWE haul. This is Phoebe, by the way, if you don't know. And I hope you guys liked it and enjoyed. If you did, you can give it a thumbs up down below. Subscribe to my channel if you're new, and don't forget that notifications bell to get up and don't forget about the notifications bell to get notified when I post new videos. Also, don't be shy to comment down below what you want to see from me next, and just like say hi, because I love to talk to you guys. I want to talk to you guys and become friends and meet you guys. So I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!